Good day and welcome to my channel. Today I want to teach you how to transact on BitGet. If you want to transact your USDT to any coin or transact your coin to any USDT, I want to be putting you through step by step an easy process the way you will understand it. I'm going to break everything down tip by tip in a way that will not be complicated. So just stay with me, watch the video to the end. If you have any question, drop it on the comment section and I'll reply you. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share with your friends so they can also benefit. Thank you.
Okay, so let's start with BitGet. So you approach your BitGet. So if you look at my BitGet, okay, I'm having $3 here, which is hamster. I'm having $3 here. So what you do now is, let me go to asset first and check. So see, I'm having 2 point something dollar worth of hamster. I click on trade. So if you check now, you see the difference between buying and selling is just this buy and this sell. So if you want to buy, if you want to sell, you make sure you click on this sell, make sure it's on sell. If you want to buy, you click on buy, make sure it's on buy. You understand me? So now let me set this hamster now. So I'll search hamster. So now I'll click on put it on sell because I want to sell. Then make sure this place is on market order. This particular place, make sure it's on market order. Then you drag this line to the end if you want to sell all your crypto. If you don't want to sell, you can still put it at the half. Then the next thing is you click on sell hamster. Then you confirm. That's all. So now I've sold my hamster to USDT so that I can actually convert it to ton so you understand the video very well. So this one I showed you now is also an additional knowledge. So if you check now, you see that I've converted my hamster to USDT. All these are is this the same process you convert to USDT, is the same process you convert back to ton. So now I have to click on this particular place they wrote hamster. I'll click on this particular place they wrote hamster. If you click on it to bring you this thing to search. Yeah, so sorry. So now to show you this thing to search, then you can search ton. You can search ton or anything that you want to. If it is Ethereum you want to swap your this into, you can actually type Ethereum. So now it is buy you want to buy, so you need to be on buy. You need to be on buy. Then make sure this thing now is on market. Make sure it's on market. Make sure it's on market. Then now drag this line to the end if you want to use all your USDT to buy ton. You understand? So now you click on buy. So you click on buy, but make sure it's on buy because you are buying. You see, if you check when I see ton / USDT, so you confirm successful. So that's all. If you check when you see that my ton has been converted to ton, my USDT has been converted to ton. So you see it. See that $2.3 that I was having, I used to buy ton, if you can see. So that's it.